You okay?
Of course.
Thank you for letting us stay here. Sorry it got a little messy. I was just about to go.
I like having you guys here. Selena. Come here. You know, you're turning into quite a beautiful woman.
No, I'm not.
Remove the dirt. That old hood. These ratty clothes. I bet we find a princess underneath. I have an idea.
Holy moly.
Take anything that fits you guys.
This is all stuff you've worn.
Most of it.
You sure must go out a lot.
I used to. Come with me. You're a true beauty. Something you can use to your advantage. Your appearance can be a weapon as powerful as any knife or gun.